Nasi Goreng, Indonesia's beloved fried rice, begins its day as a humble breakfast staple. Originating from resourceful cooks repurposing leftover rice, it's seasoned with local spices like turmeric and shrimp paste. Villagers often enjoy it with a fried egg and kerupuk, shrimp crackers, fueling their morning routines. This dish reflects Indonesia's ethos of minimizing waste while maximizing flavor. The foundation of nasi goreng lies in Indonesia's fragrant rice varieties, like pandan wangi or Jawa. Farmers harvest rice twice yearly, using age-old techniques passed down generations. Rice paddies, flooded to control pests, create a mosaic of green and gold. This grain's versatility, whether steamed or fried, makes it the heart of Southeast Asian cuisine. Nasi goreng's bold flavors trace back to Java's spice trade hubs like Batavia, Jakarta. Dutch colonists imported shallots, chilies, and garlic, while Chinese traders brought soy sauce. These ingredients merged with local kicap manis, sweet soy, creating a unique umami profile. By the 19th century, this fusion became a culinary signature of the archipelago. In colonial Batavia, nasi goreng became street food for urban laborers. Vendors cooked over charcoal fires, infusing the rice with smoky notes. A typical serving cost a few Dutch cents, garnished with pickled cucumbers and fried shallots. This affordable meal symbolized the blend of Dutch efficiency and Javanese culinary ingenuity. Malacca's Peranakan, Straits Chinese community, shaped nasi goreng by adding belacan, shrimp paste, and lard. Their wok hai, breath of the wok technique, adapted from Cantonese cuisine, gave the dish its signature smokiness. This version, often served with sliced chili and lime, remains a staple in Malaysian kopitiams coffee shops. Dutch colonists adapted nasi goreng to their tastes, adding European side dishes like frikadel, meatballs, and atjar, pickles. Wealthy households served it on porcelain plates, a contrast to banana leaf street food. This colonial version later influenced rijsttafel, the Dutch-Indonesian rice table feast. Coastal regions like Aceh and Padang enrich nasi goreng with seafood. Fresh squid, prawns, and salted fish are stir-fried with sambal and daun limau, kaffir lime leaves. Fishermen's families historically prepared this protein-rich variant, ensuring no catch went to waste. The dish embodies Sumatra's maritime bounty. During Ramadan, nasi goreng takes center stage at Malaysian buka puasa, breaking fast meals. Vendors add extras like beef rendang or fried chicken, catering to festive appetites. The smoky aroma of grilled rice draws crowds, symbolizing community and celebration in Islamic Southeast Asia. In early 1900s British Malaya, nasi goreng fueled railway construction crews. Packed in banana leaves, it stayed fresh for hours. Workers added cheap protein like tempeh or eggs, creating a balanced meal. This portable version highlights industrialization's role in spreading the dish across the peninsula. Dutch merchant ships carried nasi goreng to Europe and beyond. Cooks used dried shrimp and salted fish for preservation, creating a pungent ship's version. By the 1920s, it appeared in Amsterdam's Indische restaurants, introducing Europeans to Southeast Asian flavors. Borneo's Dayak communities created jungle nasi goreng with wild ingredients. Ferns, bamboo shoots, and aromatic lemang, glutinous rice, replaced urban staples. Cooked in bamboo tubes over fires, this variant showcases indigenous innovation tied to rainforest ecosystems. 1920s Western newspapers exoticized nasi goreng as a mysterious Eastern dish. Recipes often replaced kecap manis with ketchup, diluting authenticity. Despite this, it sparked curiosity about Indonesian culture, paving the way for post-colonial culinary exchanges. After Indonesia's 1945 independence, nasi goreng was promoted as a national dish. Street vendors standardized recipes, while government campaigns tied it to anti-colonial pride. Today, it's a UNESCO-recognized cultural treasure, embodying resilience and diversity. Contemporary chefs elevate nasi goreng with luxury ingredients like foie gras or truffles. Yet purists argue the dish's soul lies in its simplicity. From Jakarta food trucks to Michelin-starred venues, it bridges class divides, proving its timeless appeal. More than a meal, nasi goreng tells the story of Southeast Asia: colonialism, trade, migration, and innovation. Each bite carries centuries of history, from Javanese villages to global tables. It remains a delicious testament to the region's ability to transform adversity into artistry.